Yes. What question is given? That draw a segment of 8.8 centimeter. So first of all, with a pen and scale, I am going to draw the segment. Okay. Now, first I have drawn the segment. I will mark it as A and B. Okay. Now what they are saying, divide this particular segment into 4 equal parts. Okay. So 4 equal parts. First we will divide this segment into 2 equal parts. Now for dividing the segment into 2 equal parts, we are having 2 methods. Either we can mark it directly with a scale also, and second method by constructing the perpendicular bisectors on it. So we will apply the second method, that is perpendicular bisector method. So what is our first work? Put your compass needle on the end point of a segment. Okay. Then take the more than half distance. Now this is my more than half distance I took in the compass. Draw the marks on the either side of a segment. Same with the A point also. Don't change the distance between the compasses. Okay. Now, if you see carefully, this my arc and these arcs are intersecting with each other. So wherever they are intersecting with each other, from that intersection point, I can draw the line segment. Yes. Now, join these two intersecting points. I will draw a line which passes through the intersecting points. So my line will be like this. Okay. I will give the name L to it. Done. Now second, now I got 2 equal parts, 2 segments I have got. So I will give the name here M. M name I have given. Now I will consider this segment now. Which segment I have to consider now? M and B segment I have to consider. And from there I am going to draw the perpendicular. Okay. Consider the segment AM and BM, 2 separate segments. Now first I will consider this segment AM. Okay, this segment I will draw the perpendicular for this segment only. So consider this segment only. Now take the more than half distances in your compasses. This is my end point of this segment, AM segment. Now I have drawn the perpendicular. Okay, drawn the arcs from upper and downside. Same with this. Okay, now wherever these lines are cutting, arcs are cutting to each other, from that intersecting points, we will draw a line which passes through the arcs. Yes, I will give name as N. Okay, now if you see carefully, first AB line was there, AB segment was there. I have drawn the L perpendicular and constructed a divide in 2 parts. Now for the small, which is this section, just forget this section. Now consider that your AM segment is there. Okay, now I have drawn the perpendicular bisector of it. Okay, now this part A, I will give it name as a P. Here I will give name P. Now my AP and my PM are exactly same. If you are having query, you can check with the scale also, that your AP is exactly same in the measurement with the PM, as this line L is a line N is a perpendicular bisector of AM. Now same procedure follow for MB. This is my second short segment. Okay, now took the more than half distance, draw arcs on either sides. The same from second end point. Now I have considered BM only segment, so my end point of this segment is M. This is. Now draw the lines passing through these intersecting points. I will give this line as a name small k, and here intersection point I will give as a Q. Now check your M length of MQ is equal to length of QB. If you cross check it, that these two are also exactly equal to each other, this segment and this short segment. Now check. Now if you check AP, PM MQ, and QB. Now these four segments are having exactly same measurements. So we have constructed, we have divided AB into four equal parts: 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you are having query, you can check with the scale also. The measurement of all these small parts are exactly same. And hence we can say that the segment AB has been divided into four equal parts using perpendicular bisector method. Okay.